Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Hi sir, my name is Diana Joy Victorio. I am 27 years old. I have one child. He is 6 years old. I am married. My educational background is college level. My course is business administration.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to help my family and to earn money for my son and to our future.
Do you have working experience abroad as a domestic helper?
No sir, but I have experience as a house helper here in Philippines in 4 years.
What are your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
My duties and responsibilities are cleaning, ironing, washing the clothes, washing the car, gardening, and all household chores.
Did you take care of baby, child, or elderly?
Yes, sir. I look 5 years old child, and by feeding and play with them, and sometimes I help her to her assignments.
Aside from taking care of them, what is your skills?
Cooking. My special skill is cooking.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
It's necessary to be loyal, flexible, hardworking, and honest.
Lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
Hi, Madam and Sir. Please choose me as your domestic helper because I am loyal, honest, hardworking, and flexible person. Thank you and see you soon in Hong Kong.